Hello and welcome back to Everything Beauty's YouTube channel. I'm so happy that you joined me again today. Thank you so much. Let's get started with our wig review. Today I'm going to be reviewing another wig from the Janet Collection, and the name of this wig is Aspen. If you're interested in what she looks like, then you know what to do. Always stay tuned. Before we put the wig on, let's talk about some of the specifications. So check the description box below for the different colors, but this is a full synthetic wig. It is made with the synthetic premium fibers. It can hold heat up to 360 degrees. The stock card does offer some wig care tips. So always when you get your unit, make sure you check the back of the stock card for more information. Now let's try our wig on. This is what the inside of this particular wig looks like. This is the cap construction. We don't have any combs in this unit, but you do have the adjustable band so that you can customize the fit. And here's the color. This is color BEELINE, and we're gonna try her on and see how she looks. Just by finger combing this particular wig, this is the style. Let's compare it to the stock card. Tell me what you think in the comment section. Again, this is the BEELINE color that I am wearing. This is what she looks like up close. Before I give you the side-to-side view of Aspen, I would like to say thank you to everyone who have subscribed to the channel. I'm a relatively small channel, but that's okay. We're gonna keep creating videos for you, and I wanted to say thank you for the And actually that was a 360. So there's your 360 view of Aspen. If you missed the specifications, feel free to go back and watch that portion of the video. Thank you all for staying with me to the end of the video. I want to say thank you so very much. We'll be back with another video on Everything Beauty's YouTube channel. Take care.